Poor Doby was rescued by FAPF, Foundation of Animal Protection in Füzesabony, Hungary. Meet Doby. About 2 months ago, Doby was found limping on the street with an injured leg. We would transport him to the hospital. Two weeks later, Doby was leave the clinic and gone to foster home. He is dog-friendly, 5 years old, 10 kilograms, good-tempered, lovely doggy. One of his leg has been operated, so he was cage rest for 4 to 6 weeks. But he can go out for short walks to pee and poop. He needs a foster home now, and Doby is looking for a foster final home. Please support FAPF, Foundation of Animal Protection in Füzesabony, Hungary.